Hi everybody, today's video is a 1978 Scotty, and Brent here is going to show it to us and tell us what he's done to it. Hey Brent.
How are you today?
I'm good. So tell us about your camper. What condition was it in when you got it?
It was pretty rough.
Pretty rough. Is this a book that shows?
That's the book. That's what it looked like the day we brought it home.
Okay. And the inside?
Inside, yeah. This is when I started tearing it down.
Oh wow.
A lot of rot. And unfortunately, with the Scotty being plywood walls, there's not a whole lot you can save. So
now, so you had to rebuild it.
It was a total rebuild from the frame up.
Alright, so let's go inside and see what you've done. This is a very clean, bright camper. Look at that brand new floor. I really like this. So everything, the walls and everything is new?
Everything's new. Had replaced. The only thing I could save were the cabinet doors and on the inside and the bathroom door.
Alright.
And everything else.
That's not much, is it?
No, everything else just had to start all over.
So you do have a lot of cabinets.
It does. See, originally, the Scotty JS-715 was 15 foot, sleep 7 people. So you had a bunk in the front and a bunk in the back.
Wow.
And it's sleep 2 on the bottom, 2 on top there, 2 in the front here, and 1 up here. So 7 people.
That's a lot of people in this little camper.
So instead of putting the bunks back in it, I built cabinets on each end. Because originally the bunks also, when it folded up, it could be cabinets. And if you wanted bunks, it folded down, and they had a piece of plywood that went across the doors, and you could make a bunk out of it.
I've seen some like that. And you got air conditioning.
Put air conditioning in it.
Now, is this a bathroom or just a potty closet?
It's just a potty closet. Originally this one had a shower in it.
Is that plumbed?
It is.
Alright, so you have a holding tank?
No holding tank.
So you have to have sewer hookup?
Have to have sewer hookup.
Okay. It's just so nice because everything looks so new. Because it is new.
And see, originally with the shower, the wall came out is either 6 or 8 inches more. So by eliminating the shower, I could move this wall in and give us more floor space.
Good idea.
I left the dinette out. It's open all the way underneath this bed, so I could go back and put a dinette if I wanted to. But we're eating outside, and we'll take our granddaughter with us when we camp a lot. Or we're planning with this camper, so she'll have her bed and we'll have our bed.
So that's the guest room.
That's the guest. I told her, I said, this is a 2-bedroom model.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm going to walk around outside.
Alright.
Thank you for showing it to me.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Alright, everybody. There we go. That's today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any videos. I've got lots of camper tours coming. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.